Hi friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Python and print a hello world in Python script. And you can install Python from the Windows or Microsoft App Store. For instance, if you have not installed Python in your computer, you can type Python here and hit enter. Once you hit enter, a computer may find Python in your computer, and once Python directory is not found, then it is going to launch an app to install Microsoft apps. So you can see a launch like this one, and this needs an internet connection. Because I'm going to show you how to install Python from the Windows installer, so you don't need this one for now. First of all, you have to navigate to www.python.org. Hit enter. And I don't have internet connection. I make sure to connect to the internet. Make sure I have internet connection. Then refresh. Once you open the home page of Python, for now you have to click in the download here. In the download here, because I'm going to install in Windows, click here, Windows download. You can find the Python release for Windows. The last version is this one. You can search for a Windows installer. You can use this Windows Beta package or Windows installer, but the recommended is this one, Windows installer. Click and download, because I have downloaded in my computer. I can check in the download here. Program, this one, Python. Run as administrator. User the method and install Python to Python. Okay, I'm adding Python to Python. Then wait for it to install completely.